Yeah, man. Yeah, baby, we're live for Elden Ring After Dark Reduvia Dagger continuation. If you are watching, I did this with no startup screen. That's for you. I want your sub, man. If you're watching a replay, you like guys like what you see, please toss me a sub and a like. That'd be awesome. The channel is growing and good things are happening. Now, I think I'm gonna call my friend Roger for this fight. Roger. I just call him Roger. I don't parler français, man. I mean, I'd like to learn. I failed French in high school. I think that's the only class I ever failed. I failed French. 1000% failed French. It's a hard school. It wasn't easy French, guys. It was hard French. Okay, let's go in here and summon the Mimi. We're going in, folks. Hey, Jay, what's up? Caleb, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Is he talking to me? You talking to me? I'm gonna search your butt, buddy.
Emboldened by the flame of
foreign language is hard, dude. I don't think they had Italian. I would have took it, and I wish I would have been more passionate about it. And I started learning Italian much later. I actually could speak a little bit of Italian. I know a lot of words. I just brute force memorized a ton of freaking nouns and verbs to where I could speak what I call pigeon Italian. Pretty bad Italian, but I can get around, you know what I mean? Marco Vescovini comes into the stream and talks to me in Italian sometimes to help me out. Is that dumb? You can hit him, you know. Okay, here we go. Put the poopy on him. Put the poopy on him. He's 50%. Put the poopy on him. Put the poopy on him, guys. Put the poopy on him, guys. Lots of poopy. More poopy. There he goes. Dude, that was so not playing Elden Ring. That is not as the game was intended. Right? It's not like a cheese build or anything. I mean, I got 2 Reduvia daggers. Good game says truth, yeah. That even I as, you know, not exactly a Souls player. This is my first Elden Ring game, our first Souls game, right? I'm a little embarrassed by what I just did, guys. Double summons, double Reduvia daggers, tank him. Okay, I dodged what? 2 attacks. I ate 1 dagger, I dodged the next dagger. And I backed off for a second because I got scared, guys. I didn't want to die. That's even more embarrassing than cheesing things. Oh, we got to go to round table hold. We could come right back, right?
Very well. Let my hand.
Yeah. They only don't want to do this when they're doing speed runs because it's going to take like an extra 5 seconds, right? Yeah, dude, you're a full-on Souls player now. 21 runs, you earned that moniker. Billy, thank you, man. Going right back to that grace, guys, because we got to run our butt directly over to the next fool. God Fry? It's like the Eagles, right? Glenn Fry, but he spells his name F-R-E-Y. Glenn Fry. Was I supposed to talk to that guy? Oh, no, that guy is, that guy's after this fool. You know what? I've been taking this front way lately. Let's go to the back door. I think it'll be fun. My Nirena's turned into Sword of Night and Flame run. Dude, you know, I should do that. You guys want to start one later? I have never done a Sword of Night and Flame run.
Yes, that you're just
Now, they'll usually kill this guy, though. Don't people usually kill this guy? I never kill this guy. I never kill that guy. And people always tell me, though, remember back in the day? I say they always tell me, this was probably like a year or 2 ago, right? A year ago. They'd say, he'll steal your runes. And it's like, on a first playthrough, I guess it matters, right? I mean, how many, does he steal like by percentage? Or does he just steal like, you know, 200 runes or something. You know what I mean? I don't even know. Does anyone know the answer to that? It's pretty good. Used to be better, but at least you have 2 different affinities for different enemies. Ooh, that sounds pretty cool. Okay, can I beat this bird by going this way? I hate that freaking bird. I hate the birds, guys. The birds are hard. I was farming something around here for something. I don't remember what it was. You guys know what it was? We're gonna have to run in. We're gonna have to run past everything. We're gonna have to either ninja or kill the knight. Well, no point in dealing with that. This fire thing, man. I always have a trouble dodging this first fire thing. See what I'm saying? Don't throw fire poopies at me, man. It's rude. The dude downstairs now wants some. You want some? Ooh, I missed it. You want some? Whoa! I remember... Well, he went down. I remember one thing in this game. There was a guy downstairs that was pretty... He was pretty aggro. And I remember this guy throws poopies at you. Die when I look at you. I have a Reduvia Daggers. 2 of them. My son gave me one. There's a fool over here, too. He's sitting down, guys. I remember this guy. We got a sleeper. Oh, no! Okay. That's where the bad boy is. Get him! Huh. I've never broken that before. I've never known this hole before. What does that do? I bet it does nothing. Can you go out there? Can I get on my horse? What is that for, guys? Does it mean anything? Oh, this is NG+, so we don't need everything, right? I've never killed that clown. You're telling me he takes your runes? He's dead next time. Justin Corshane, yeah. Mini Comet is your Inflame boon. Okay, okay, cool. Yeah, I've always heard Sword of Night and Flame is overpowered, but I never knew the story behind it. That's to trick you. Oh, I get it. Okay, so I have to kill you. Okay. Whoa! I gotta make the run again. 120,000 runes on the floor. I should have just ran. I knew I should have. I knew. Dude. I mean, okay. Now I'm not gonna kill anybody. I'm just gonna run right to that fool, run past him, and grab the freaking key. Try and get my runes too. Who are you yelling at, buddy? Dude, I thought they were gonna hit me. They're not supposed to hit me. Okay, maybe we can dodge this time. Get out of my way! That guy had to get... He was in my way, guys. This guy's blocking the door. Okay. I'm gonna get the sleeper too, because I don't want any hassle at the door. Okay, good. Now. Ah! I almost fell. The door's right here. Topping off. The door's open already. Is he still in there? Can you kite him out? I don't see him. E! E! Oh, I already got the key. I already got the key. The key was the thing I picked up over there. I didn't even need that. I didn't even need that. What a joke. Did you guys know I already got the key? I trust the daggers too much, guys. I trust the daggers too much. It's just a hack and slash scenario, guys. You just The faster you push a button, the faster something dies. You know what I mean? You really have to aim. Stream Rock time's got me pumped up right now, Jay. I'm freaking pumped for the Stream Rock. Stream Rock, man. Do we parkour? It wasn't much parkour. Yeah. Why am I going for loot, guys? That loot you get a different way, right? And isn't there a loot over here somewhere? You get that loot a different way, too. Isn't there a jump scare over here somewhere? I forget where it is, guys. Ah! Right there. Reduvia dagger that fool. Did he backstab with these daggers? Well, that wasn't exactly what I was looking for. I usually don't kill this guy. We don't have a grace. Should I just run by this fool? Just get her done. Get the grace. You know what I'm saying? I think I should. I don't usually go this way, guys. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure. Oh, I know where I am. And I would usually go up and around, which is the long way. I ain't smelling roses today, folks. We're killing bosses. This thing's broken, right? Yeah, I told you. I told you it was freaking broken. Guys, this is a very risky parkour jump that no one knows how to do except for Charlie Sardo. It's right there, right? Yeah, that'll get me there. That right there will get me there. Hey! We're flying like the wind, guys. To be free again. There is a parkour to drop down there. I've done it. Not doing it now. Don't even remember what it was for, folks. Does anyone? Whatever's in here, I don't think we need, guys. I don't think we need it. Do we just run like the wind to be free again? I think we run like the wind. They're gonna get mad at me. I had to kill one of them, guys. If they're gonna chase me, I want them to have a reason. You know what I mean? I took out one of their homeboys. Loot right there. You guys know me. I hate to miss loot, guys. Now getting past. Oh man, they're chasing me, guys. They're chasing me. They want me bad. They want me bad. LOS. Grab the grace. Oh, he's mad. What's up? Where's your sisters? Your sisters just left you, bro. This is the one. This is the thing to open up the broken one, right, guys? No, that was way over there. This is for something else. What's up, dude? You still looking to mess with me, bro? Whoa. Good thing I fell off the world. Guys, not targeting, I think, is for good players. Oh, I woke up the whole world, guys. We're going back to the grace now. Now, this run is annoying to me because of the Marty freaking birds. And I want to get Nepheli. So what do you do? How do you deal with these Marty birds, man? And still get Nepheli? I could take the other way and run to Nepheli. Because those big... 127k. I think I need 170,000, man. Let's go, folks. Hardcore parkour. That was pretty risky. Level up. 178. Yeah, man. I should have took the rooms. Hey, I just thought about something, guys. When we were playing last night, Kat and I were outside of Malekith, and we got invaded by two guys. And the dude dropped 4 heroes' runes. Okay, I guess they're 50k each, or Lord's runes. So he dropped like 200... No, he dropped... Yeah. Okay, he dropped runes on the ground. It was a reasonable amount. I think he wanted to gamble. I just realized this. I just thought about this today. I'm like, that guy just put those runes in. I thought he was just like invading and being like, hey, have some runes. Right? Maybe that dude's... Yeah, it was actually 8 because I had one on me, Billy. It was 8. That's why I dropped all 9 to her and had her give me 5 back because I already had one. And, yeah, 50k a piece. Yeah, so we got 200k each. And Billy, he probably wanted to gamble, right? Have you got all the endings? Yes, I have got all the endings. Here's the problem with running past this crap, guys. They follow me into the freaking room. The felly ain't hanging, man. The felly ain't cool. Do we own a bow? I mean, I won't be like all proficient at it or anything. He won't have any ashes on it or anything. I just want to whack him one time with a bow. The long bow. And... oh, man. We don't have no, ooh, serpent. That looks like it might have poison on it, guys. Okay. Now, it's not going to kill it. But if I headshot it, we might take most of it out. Then I'm going to run in the room. I try to get lucky. I should have gold vowed up. I should have buffed. Oh, I wanted to hold him at the door is what I wanted to do. I wanted to hold him at the door. I wanted to get him at the choke point. You know what I'm saying? So he couldn't be high in the air. Why would he die? God. What a freaking nightmare that was. People that do that. People do that. That's how I got so many dropped 600 per trade today. I know people drop them. But they probably wanted to gamble, right? They wanted me like to pick them up and then drop those and the same amount, and then the winner gets to pick them up. Am I right? That was such a cluster F, guys. Going back, guys. Same plan. Second burst. Same as the first. Only now I'm buffed up. Come to my choke point there, buddy. Come on. Come on. Say hello to my little choke point. I got a plan for you. Okay. Little different with the dam, right, guys? Little different with the dam. We're gonna have a grace. Now this fool I could kill easy. Yeah. See, if I would have known he wanted to gamble, I wouldn't have picked him up. Do you know that? I wouldn't have picked him up. I thought he was just being nice. I swear to God, it's like why would a stranger do that? It was dumb. It was me being naive.
You were a fine warrior.
Yeah, well. You're pretty fine yourself there, sweets.
Let the winds lift you. Well, who do we have here? Tarnished, are you?
I like her.
Really not one of Godric's lot. I am Nefeli.
Godric. That's the guy we're gonna kill first?
Tarnished and warrior, like you. I'm here.
Drew, what's up, my brother?
Utterly repel this grafting of God.
We missed you last night, man. We had a good time, but we missed you.
I ask you call up the winds run fast.
Oh, I'm gonna call upon you. I'm the biggest cheeser in the world. You should have seen what I just did to Margit.
As fellow down, whatever.
We cheesed a black knife yesterday. Although I'm not using him. I'm using a memester because I don't want to burn the physic. You know what I'm saying? Grabbing the loot because I'm a loot. You know what, guys. But I didn't want to say the H word. They're like the H word? What's the H word? Whoa! You shot me! That guy shot something at me. Come on, sisters might be coming. Sisters might be coming. Just drink up. There we go. It's all good. If he wanted to do that without dealing with you picking them up, he should have been at the Coliseum. You can gamble at the Coliseum? Drew says, good, man. Yeah, I had my daughter's birthday party and was having convos till 3 a.m. Nice, man. But checked in once in a while and saw you guys were having a blast. We were. Flaskuses. Add a charge. Yes. Okay. We're going to summon the girl. We're going to do the same malarkey that we just did. We're going to do again. Only bigger, stronger, faster. I'm summoning the co-operator. I always push the wrong button, guys. Good thing I wasn't standing in front of the Pope. I gotta be very careful standing in front of the Pope, guys, because I'm a problem waiting to happen. You can gamble anywhere.
Mighty dragon, thou art a true born heir.
Do you guys like this cutscene? Or you guys want to get to the action? I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah. This is the one phase. I'm sorry to spit at you guys. This is the one phase 2 where he makes his hand a dragon and he spits fire at you, and you got to bum rush directly at him and you can avoid it. You can punish it. You can punish it, guys. Right? Who knows? Hey, Pigslinger, love watching you play this game way too fast for my fingers. Thank you, Pigslinger. Welcome to my stream, my brother. Sorry I was a little late on that, man. Hope you're still here. Oh yeah, I always get offended at this.
I am the lord of all that is golden.
You never should have talked to me like that, bro. You never should have talked to me like that. Nepheli, I expect you to get in there. I knew I'd immediately roll because I panic rolled. I'm so lucky that I had any stamina left, guys. I didn't flask! No wonder he's still up. Dang it, I wanted to get more damn. What happened to my arm? I did that with my Reduvia daggers, okay? Anyone that came to yesterday's, to watch the replay of yesterday's video, I'm sorry, the title, I didn't want to be a clickbaiter, or not even clickbait, but just not give you what I promised, because I said Reduvia daggers versus Radagon, and then I couldn't get in. I didn't realize Radagon was already done. So, it bothered me. It didn't break me up so much that I wouldn't change the title, you know, but, and the thumbnail. But you guys, figure you guys will be okay. I maxed out my Great Shield Warrior's ashes. They work pretty good. Jeff Conley, what's up, dude? My man. Okay, gotta run. What? How did I get in front of the hand? I thought you're supposed to... If you stay close to him, he can't do that to you. Graft him! Graft him! You've been grafted! You never should have talked to me like that in front of my friends. He talked to me like that in front of the memester. Caleb Boyd says, Drew, you have to go and watch last night's stream. The invader turned chat and tray loot on the ground. Yeah, dude. And Invader came in, and they were taking like a real long time to zone in. Has anyone ever seen this before? He was taking a long time to zone in. I saw him standing there, and I started kind of trying to hit him. And then Trey was there, and I was there, and Kat was there. And we all turned into the little loot on the ground. You know, little loot on the ground? Like when you have, we look like loot on the ground. We look like this, guys. Leave. We looked... Where is it? Did I not confirm it? You know what I'm talking about. When you drop some loot, we look like, all three of us look like that. And if I went to move, I would glide around on the floor, and I could still shoot my glintstone staff. It's crazy. Trey kicked us out, and then I ended up back at the Grace, and I was fine. Trey said he rested. He had to like go out and come back in or something. Okay, so there's no people here. So we're going to La Narnana. Yeah, it was kind of funny, man. It's before Malika. Although, it might have been... Did we do Malika twice? I'm not sure. I feel like... Because Trey was there. Because Trey wasn't there, I think, at the beginning. So I'm not sure. I just know it was before Malika. Out there in front of Malika, anyway. Okay, there's no girl over here. There sometimes a girl over here for a quest line or something. Oh, 188, guys. We had a level. Now, do we put it in mind? How much mind points do I need for the Black Knife Teacher? How many points? 2 invaders before that dropped 8 Lord Runes. Charlie went to pick them up, and they killed Charlie and Kat. Yeah, they sure did, man. You go. Yeah, we got like 200,000 each. We split them down the middle. I picked them up. I didn't want them all. I gotta share. It was freaking funny. Yeah. Billy Mullenix says, when I fought Renala earlier, I was way underleveled, so I called in a summon after we won. The cooperator turned into a birdcage. Nice. Caleb Boyd says, 2 invaders before that dropped the 8 Lord Room. Got that. All right. I guess we're going to the Grace by the lake or whatever, right? Oh, wait. You might have a sacred tear floating over here, folks. Stream Rock. Horse riding. It's good horse riding music, folks. Guys, you gotta be nice sometimes. Sometimes you gotta be nice. This, I think, is the least amount of runes in the game that you ever give to any NPC for anything.
Presuming you're interested, I can teach you sorcery.
Interesting, huh? It was like, I saw one of those videos, right? 10 things you don't know about Elden Ring or whatever. Oh, he's got study sorcery. Okay, he's got some spells here that I'm not going to use. There you go, buddy. Guys, it's nice to kick down sometimes. You know what I mean? Kick him a little bit of money. Oh, wait. Yeah. So, how much do I need for to summon the Black Knife Teach? I mean, you saw what we just did to those bosses. So, I'm just going to put it in mind, because basically I'll be buying my flask back so I can use my teach, right? I just wonder how far. Yeah, I've got all the endings, Justin. I've done them all. Did anyone say, does anyone know how much mind for Black Knife Teach? We're all going to learn something here, Mike. Does anyone know this? How much mind for Black Knife Teach? 23? It's going to take forever! You know what? Like I said, I think the game has been easy enough right now. We'll just get there. Because 4 points, well, we're 4 points away. That'd be 5 points in my points. That's got to be worth freeing up my half of my physic, right? And and getting the Black Knife Teacher. What was your favorite, man? The favorite ending? You know, I'll be honest. I don't remember them all. I know that the, of course, the Madness one was fun because you know I had to earn it. You know what I mean? I don't know. That's the only one that stands out to me, right? That's the only one that stands out to me.
You're new.
What you got here, buddy? I got 9K on me.
Oh, don't. Oh.
Perch A's. Do I have this? Number held 0. We're gonna buy stuff that we need, folks. Stuff that we need. We don't need anything else. So it was a pleasure doing business with you, old man. Okay. Should we try and take out the... Oh, we got a creeper. We got a creeper. The Everjail. 18 plus Godric. Great room. Yeah, really, I could just use Radagon's Sword Seal debuff too, huh? One of those Sword Seals. Okay, this being a melee, guys, I don't know. I mean, I'm going in, but I don't know. I might just have to hack and slash him to death, guys, because I don't know if I get the skills. I'm always second guessing my skills, guys. Wait. Wait. Let's just waste all of our stuff and botch the pull. That was horrible. I wanted to make it pay for drinking. Well, that was pretty good. I almost had a roll there. That was a little bit scary. Look, guys, I need a drink. Anytime you have to drink means you could have died, right? That's funny. I legit finished the Frenzy Flame ending earlier today. Did you, Justin? Cool. Drew says better to avoid Sword Seals and just get the stats and Godric and maybe those talismans per stats to avoid damage taken. Yeah. Whoa. Can I get what? I can't mount up because I'm too close to what? There's nothing over here, right? I should just go down. There's a Lux Ruins over here or something. Not Lux, what are these ruins called? And the basement's not over here, huh? I'm making people mad, guys. I'm making people mad. You want to get our invitation to Volcano Manor? I think we got enough money for it. How come it doesn't tell me? Oh, there's a grace right here. Let's grab it. I have very few graces, guys. So I just feel good when I get one. These guys, these poopy things fly for ev, guys. For evs. Whoa. Yeah, but I didn't even think about it. But yeah, I mean, I don't need to make this guy level 250 and stuff. Whoa, was that loot right there that I just missed? How do you own the Glintstone Craftman Cookbook? The basement's over here somewhere, right? Where's the basement, guys? I want the basement. How come everyone else gets a basement but me? It's not fair. I'm waking up the whole neighborhood. It's gonna be over here. Where the hell is it? There's no... You guys keep telling me there's a basement in every ruins. Told you. Lighten up the situation, folks. There's no... Is that not odd? Why is there no boss in there, guys? It's like a boss room, but no boss. I don't understand why there would be... Okay, now. I think I need to go over here somewhere for my invitation. I just want to meet some chick. Did I just pass it? No. How come she's not on the map, bro? They should put her on a map. You know what I mean? I think I need to go like this way. Kind of north. Is it northwest of those ruins? I'm looking for a girl who lives in a shack, not the boil pond shack. It's not this far over. Yeah. Is that the Deathrite Bird Rock? I always get attacked by the Deathrite Bird when I run past a rock. That's the rock. That's Deathrite Bird Rock, is it not, guys? So she's right here. Yeah, I told you! The Royal Remnant above is somewhat a boss at these low levels. Yeah, they're annoying, man. And I don't know their move set. We're gonna go ahead and get the necklace, guys. That way we get easy Volcano Manor. We don't have to... We'll get the freaking necklace. I'll get your necklace. Just calm down. Straighten up. Stand up straight. You look weird. Okay, the Boiled Pond Shack is over here, folks. It's not too far away. Oh, that's where the Deathrite Bird comes from, guys. Might want to steer clear of that one. I think I see it. He lives in a shack! Freaking honeymoon in Vegas, guys. Honey freaking moon in Vegas. I love it. I love Nick Cage. I love the movie. It's easy to watch. It's a nice, chill, relaxing, fun kind of a comedy. How much does he want for it? Deal. I'm a shrewd one. Purchase. 1,000 runes? Do you not know I'm the guy that was given 200,000 runes last night? Out of respect! Okay, we're going to go back and earn our... Yeah, southeast, right? But I got to watch out for that big... Yeah, that thing. If I go too close to that, the freaking Deathrite Bird comes. And, yeah, that's something else I really don't need to be dealing with in my life right now. That freaking Deathrite Bird. I'm trying to think how many Deathrite Birds I've killed, guys. The answer is not a bunch. I feel like I already passed it. There it is. I'm going to jump in the back door and kind of freak her out. Here's your freaking necklace!
I see you are very brave to steady such strength. Brave most tonic. You are no volcano.
Okay.
This land, but the lift instead at the base it was excavated.
Yeah. I'll meet you up top, sweetie. Straighten up, alright? I'll catch you later. So what do we do? Carry a manor, right, guys? Carry a manor. Oh, I can port here. Might as well. I think I should. Which character is this? This is the Reduvia Dagger. This is the Reduvia Daggers, man. The double Reduvia Daggers. Or the name and NG. This is just NG plus 1. This is only the NG plus 1. Oh, we got a lobster, folks. Oh my god, there's... Do we want to wake them all up? Well, I guess you kind of have to if you want the loot, right? Guys, don't forget. Snitches get stitches! I'm out of here! They didn't even wake up. That wasn't very fun. Where's Folly in a Lake, folks? I've climbed up that rock looking for it before. Okay, now it's not so funny. It's not so folly. Is there poopy over here? I think we found the folly, folks. My talismans are... They're probably not the best. They're probably not bad. Blood loss and vicinity. Increase attack power. And I just stuck these on to survive better when I was trying to kill the night time sentinel over at Lenny's Rise. But I don't like have a whole bunch of great talismans. Final hits of chain attacks. That's one, definitely. And then I probably should use jump attacks too. Enhances stamina reducing attacks against blockers. No. Should I be using jump attacks for this? I think I should, because I got the jump cloak on, guys. Those will help, right? I just feel like if I jump, I feel like he doesn't slice and dice as much. Winged Sword Insignia. Twin Blade Talisman. Enhanced final hit of chain attacks. Enhanced jumped attacks. Lord of Blood's Exaltation. Blood loss and vicinity increases attack power. And a little enormously boost physical damage negation is what I got on there. I could probably... which one were you asking about? Definitely Winged Sword. Oh, I don't have one. I don't have one. I'd have the Winged Sword. Where does one obtain a Winged Sword? Because that would be pretty cool. I don't do fire damage, right? I'm stacking blood, right? Winged Sword Insignia. Winged. Oh, way down here. Oh, I didn't scroll down far enough. What does this do? Critical hits restore HP. I bet I'm doing some crits. Winged Sword raises attack power. Oh yeah. Oh man. I would have freaking melted him. Bernala's gonna be mad. Ooh, I see poopy water, folks. Poopy water, you know what it means. Poopy water means we're close. Yeah. Is it over here? No. Is it over here? Is it across the street? There it is. Found it! Let's see if Nepheli wants to hang out. Although, I might need to talk to her at the round table first. And then you can get the Rotten Wing and the ring stick for Wilkie as well. Rotten Ringed Sword. Where does one acquire such an item? Especially the way I'm such a cheeser with all my summonses, right? It's a good idea to go ahead and have that. Dude, I just felt hungry for a second. I had 2 hot dogs so far today, guys. 2 hot dogs. Should never be able to put the horse in the house. It's just rude. This guy's given me a hard time before. Told you I don't know my keys, bro. This guy's like a boss to me. I'm not gonna summon though. Should be able to take him out. Get killed there, buddy. I haven't killed this guy in a long time, guys. I haven't killed him in a long time! I should go back and kill that merchant, too. It should be just that everyone dies today kind of game, day. You know what I mean? I don't know. Am I in that mood? I don't know. I told you I was hangry. Ooh, this dude's tough, guys. This dude across the street is tough, bro. I'm going to rest and get my flask back for him. Yeah, that's it. Get it for completing Millicent's quest. Oh, did I get my loot from that guy? That would definitely be my first half of a tree. Yeah. That was a secret half of the Hallertree medallion? That's crazy. You get that this early and then you don't get the second half until way later. Oh wait, I was supposed to cross up there. No, I wanted to hit the grace. The rotten winged sword. I don't know why I always felt like I you usually de-aggro right here. Now, I think the move here is dogs, because they're level 10. Oh, wait. Yeah, and I have mana to summon them. And the thing about them is, there's going to be rot dogs as ads, right? Second half? Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was actually going to be for, like, one of the other things. Should I, like, go down there and kill the dogs first? Can the dogs see me stealing loot? Are they like guard dogs, folks? Rune Arc, I'll take it. These things are freaking connected, guys. Okay, there's one more dog. I've never done this like this before. I always just dealt with the freaking ads. So maybe we will summon a... Meme Sir's not going to help with the dog, though. Told Trey about the out of map. Neologies earlier. He said he's going to try it. Yeah, I tried it here. Did you see me try it? I tried it on stream. I was sure I tried it on stream. Maybe I tried it off stream. No, but I wouldn't have. I would have never. Because if I was going to sacrifice my... Commander Niall kill, I couldn't come back and be like, oh guys, by the way, Niall's dead. You know what I'm saying? It was one of the particular playthroughs that we were doing, and I pulled the video up and I tried it a couple times. As a matter of fact, I think it was the bow playthrough, which was not that long ago, a couple months ago, and because I was just gonna cheese him through the. Because it was a bow playthrough. What do you do? Cheese him through the freaking through the hole, right? With the bow playthrough. And I couldn't get it to work, but I only tried it like twice, and then I'm like, no, I just want to cheese him through the hole because I'd never done that before. I'd never done it before, man. They're plus 10, guys. I'm bringing them up. Hey, I hit the right button for one time. Oh, God. That's okay. I want to drink this first anyway. We'll revow. Re-strength. I got 13 health pots. If I run out of health pots, guys, you know. I knew he was going to hit me. He's dead already? Huh. I ain't gonna lie. That's not how I expected that fight to go. I mean, he hit me. But those talismans, forget about it. We just added so much, damn. We just added so much damn. Going back to Fallen in the Lake to pick up a little... Well, we're going to go talk to White Mask Var. No reason. Or just bar. No reason. No reason, guys. If you are new to the stream and you like what you see, you consider throwing me a subscription on YouTube. I would appreciate it very much. And if you like the video, guys, like the video. Yeah, I watch a lot of Nick Mercs, guys. I really do. Okay, now I'm running the wrong way, so let's just go ahead and turn around. That was embarrassing. I'm the guy that doesn't know the map. I should know the map. Billy says, I've done it a couple of times. My first playthrough. You did that on your first playthrough? I only learned that Nile cheese. Like, look at all these mushrooms. How am I not how is this not the mushroom farming spot? I know there's another. Whoa. I know there's another one that's closer, but it has half as much. Is it Erdtree Gazing? Somewhere over there. The mushroom farm. Guys, you need him for the freaking... Oh, he's not even here yet. He's not even here yet, guys. I talked to him, though. I talked to him. One thing about me, I never know how to get to the freaking, how to get to the dragon. I need to pay attention to the skyline, guys. The skyline. Like, see that big, tall, poopy straight ahead? That could be a clue. Yeah, no, he's not this. The temple quarter. Oh, there's a Grace right here. Where's the Grace? So I passed him? There's a Grace called the temple quarter Grace. So I think I'm warm. Oh, I just try to pick up that flower, guys. That flower was a freaking... Temple quarter Grace is going to be on the other side. Okay. Ooh, look at all the lilies, guys. Those are freaking good, man. Might want to hold on to those. Yeah, and the dragon's right over here. Got it. Gotta dance. Full show tune voice. You jump off the edge and double jump super late, then just swing your sword repeatedly. Yeah. Did on your first playthrough after getting wrecked by Niall at least 50 times. Couldn't learn the dance. I'm trying to think any boss I've ever learned the entire dance. Well, I'll tell you. Phase 1 Malekith. I pretty much, I just learned how to do that. And then I learned a lot of Phase 2, enough to get me through. You know what I'm saying? There's the dragon. Oh, we're going to kill him for sure. With the memester. Memster's going to get freaking jacked up by the poison, guys. Memester is getting jacked up by all poison. Whoa. Now this health pot I might need. This will be fun though. I keep wanting to two-hand my weapon. Come on, Mimi, get in here. Now he's just gonna freaking shoot poopies. I got the key, Mimi. Run for your life! I hate him and his ranged attacks, folks. Where is he? I lost him. Well, obviously. Come on. Come on! Cut him up! I'm not doing any jump attacks, guys. Dude, that thing just freaking does mass damage by stomping. He's gonna kill my horse. That's a jump attack, right? Yeah, I knew I was rolling into it. You could help, Mimi. You could help. Oh, he shot one of me and the Meanster. So now I'm the one who's targeted. Oh! I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. Something. That's all he's got. That's all he's got is that stupid attack. Get on him, Mimi. Mimi's not doing anything in this fight because I'm getting. Put the blood on him! Mimi, you can help. Hit him in the wing. That thing hurts every time. If I don't get this thing right now, I'm gonna be mad. Ah! God. Okay, guys. That's the first time I've ever used the horse to get distance. I just usually run over to the rock and try and LOS him. You know what I'm saying? But not just, you know. And I didn't get all the loot either. What's happening, Drew? Bielski, how you doing, man? Hey, Bielski. You were asking me the other day about posting something. Remember that? And I was thinking more. I didn't want to put it in the. Which one am I going? The wrong way. In the Charlie Sardo gaming group. But if you want to post that that link we talked about in the Chiller subscribers only, you're welcome to. You got me, brother. The link to your No Man's Sky base or whatever it was, the video. I freaking love their dude. They're nasty. How they feel. They're very satisfying. They're very satisfying to use. Cat, how you doing? Okay, wait. This way, right? Yeah. Just putting all the kids to bed so I can hop on ER. Cool, Drew. You got anything you need to get done? My Plastiducks is still up. And it's all my fault. I was the one that kept dying. I think one time I was the last one alive. Just not doing the damn. I think I should have just put all my trinkets on for the Malachus Black Blade and just done that. That's what Trey was suggesting at the end. I think he was right. Because I just was not getting... It just was not getting done. Cat the meow, nah, I'm playing. Hi, cat. Alright, guys. Running through this thing like it's nothing. The daggers are gonna be like good for Ranalalalala because of her little sisters with their little freaking little faces. They're creepy little faces. They look like they're they look like there's something wrong with them. And then they chuck books at you. Hey, I got here faster than I usually do. Streamrock comes in as we storm the castle, folks. They try to get me, guys. They tried to get me. I don't know why they always come here first, grab the grace, and then go get the key. 79k runes. Oh, I was going to do Carrier Manor first, guys. Carrier Manor. The Carrier Manor, guys. Saying Charlie's live on YouTube. I messaged you on Messenger, Cat, saying Charlie's live on YouTube. Thank you, Caleb, for spreading the word. She might have gotten... Cat's probably on the Live Alert channel. I don't know if she is or not. If you're not, Cat, it helps. We have a Live Alert broadcast channel on Facebook. You know what? I don't think everyone gets that, guys. I don't think everyone gets that. The live alert channel. Oh, the 4 French fries. We got to get the 4 French fries, guys, for later. Yeah, I've seen people complaining about that, or just saying that they wish they had it, you know, and I'm like, I got it. I'll tell you guys something. I've always been real lucky with Facebook. Okay, there was a year I was demonetized for, I believe, if I would have had a, if I got to talk to someone and explain what happened, they would have absolutely said, "Oh yeah, we'll lift that." And when they demonetized me, it was only off my commercials. It wasn't off my stars and subs and stuff, right? So it wasn't that big of a deal because at the time, I mean, it's money. At the time, it was probably 40, 50, 60, 70 bucks a month or something like that. It wasn't a lot, but I mean, I wanted it. Because that's how I survive around here, guys, just by little things adding up, right? You know what I'm saying? Whoa, whoa, whoa! That guy just appeared right there. Whoa, I'm stuck on a tree, man. I'm stuck on a freaking tree. And when I had my big videos back when COVID was still a problem, people were still at home watching stuff. Oh wait, no, not that, not that. Where's the grace? Where's the grace? I'm at the wrong French fry, guys. When I had my millions of views on the World of Warcraft video and all that, now where I would have made like some money off the ads. I wasn't even monetized yet. But besides that malarkey, and when I finally got my real life Facebook partner manager, got it resolved. Besides that, whenever they roll something out, do something cool, I've been involved, man. Facebook's been pretty cool, man. I should have grabbed that grace. I didn't grab it, huh? No. You gotta run down. You gotta run down like the rest of them. Yeah. Still kicking, cool. Oh, Dave Joyce, how you doing, Dave? Good to see you, my brother. Welcome. Hans won his first game of his tournament today. So whatever it's called, Masters tournament. He played Arian Terry first round. I mean, I've heard the name. The guy's a GM. I bet he's 2,600, right? Guy's no slouch, I don't think. And Hans completely outplayed him, man. Hans had a little bit of trouble when he was like in a pretty winning position. He was having trouble finding the win, and he got low on time. But besides that, he said he's underrated. I don't know why. I'm like, well, you just kind of freaking kicked his butt. You really don't know why he's underrated. Maybe he's not playing too good right now, and his rating dropped down. I just put the tour video up in the subscribers only group. Thank you, Colin. Yeah. Check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for letting me share. Yeah, no problem, man. So if you guys heard that, subscribers on Facebook, if you want to check out the video, Colin's video on YouTube of his No Man's Sky base. If I'm saying that right, am I saying that right? I'm not getting this loot, guys. It always gets me killed. That loot right there, I want it. No, I should start one at a time and kill this entire. But they got glintstones up there, guys. Glintstones, meet the glintstones. What am I gonna eat later, guys? I had 2 hot dogs, and I didn't even have enough craft singles for cheese in both of them. Kind of sucked. And I was lazy. I didn't even cut onions, and I have an onion. I just put a. What do we talk about, guys? Same rule as hot dogs with corn dogs. Hot dogs and corn dogs. A freaking ton of mustard, folks. 1 had a craft single, 1 didn't. 1 had a ton of mustard. I didn't even brown them, guys. I just nuked them. I just made a quick lunch, guys. Quick lunch! I made some reels. One of my reels here on Facebook, there's on YouTube, these shorts, the YouTube shorts. They're called YouTube shorts, guys. And I posted one the other day. Okay, I know where I am. Oh, but wait. But where's the Oh, the basement, you gotta like... The basement here is like on the floor or something, huh? Do I need to like pass till daytime or something? Because I'll never find it. Right? Isn't the floor at this one something you gotta roll on? Dave Joyce's, yeah. Doing great, guys. Chilling for an hour before I go to sleep. Nice, man. Tough draw first round for Hans. I did see the game afterwards. He got the job done, though. Yeah, man. Yep. He did. Oh, wait. I wanted to pass till daylight. I hate this little area over here. So they're just shorts with a YouTube logo on the buttocks, pretty much, man. Pastime until morning. What was it? It was a fire giant. Can't find a fire giant's leg, and I posted it yesterday, and it didn't get a bunch of views. But then today, it was popping off a little bit. Not as good as I used to do on my reels. But I have been posting shorts. You know what I'm saying? Where is it? Does anyone know? Isn't it like... Whoa. What are you looking at, buddy? I just killed your whole family. Don't you want to fight back? You think so? I thought it was a rolling floor, guys. That could be a hint. And so I posted another. Oh, I posted a Halley Tree. I posted a Halley Tree song, and you know what? It's getting some action too. It's not over here. Okay. I'm gonna go and drink up because I really don't want to. Where? Oh, it's right here. I should have looked for the messages, guys. Fog wall! Got a fog wall! I screwed up, too. He doesn't even know my voice here. I just face tanked him, folks. I just pushed my face into his face and spammed the button. I got past 3 bosses in that game. So far, it's a good game for me. Oh, you finally you finished Liza P, Dave Joyce, man. You're a better gamer than me. I just didn't have it in me to finish that game, man. I don't think I didn't make it halfway through. I bet I made it like a 1/5 of the way through or something. How many bosses are there? How many bosses are there in that game? I think I killed 4 to 5, maybe. I think I killed 5 bosses. Pretty much behind me. I don't know why I had to do that. 93,000 runes. We could go through the door, folks. You can make this jump, though, right? I made the jump the other day. Hey! Goofing around, folks. Oh, wait. We're gonna rest because we're going to Carrion Manor. Yeah, Caleb, you never finished it? I got to what I call the rot boss, and I found a cheese for him. I only did like 1 or 2 attempts, and then I started watching some videos on him because I was going to come back to him on the stream. Then I saw some way to cheese him, and I'm like, I mean, I wasn't at the point where I even needed to think about cheesing him yet. But then I just got to that point where I'm like, you know what? I just don't care. I just don't care. It's a beautiful game, though, man. Beautiful freaking game. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're getting a little close on the blue poopies. Heard it was much harder game before first update. Did they nerf it a little bit? For guys like me, probably. Whoa. Sanji, what is up? Welcome to the After Dark community. Welcome. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. These are the chillers. They don't bite, okay? Not unless they're hungry. So don't make them hungry. And I get the best mods in the world. They're pretty cool. They have itchy trigger fingers. Guys, I've been watching some streamers, man. There's a streamer. What's his name? Oh, God. He's the Asian kid. He's the Asian kid. Scumnut. And he's really good at the game, guys. He's really good at the game. And I'm cool with him. But his mods, it's just out of control. It's weird to me. They argue with chat. They say stupid stuff. It's really weird, man. It's really weird. I would be surprised if something doesn't change soon over there. Now, don't get me wrong. This kid's a kid. Like, he's under 20, probably under 20, or... Yeah, I bet he's under 20. Maybe 20, 21. And, you know, if someone recommends something stupid that he's heard 100 times, he'll talk smack to chat and stuff. He will. He'll be like, dude, stop freaking saying that. That's stupid. I don't have any stamina. That's the whole challenge. I can't use that weapon. Or whatever. You know what I'm saying? He'll talk like that to people sometimes. It's his stream. You know what? It's fine. But the mods arguing and snoozing and saying, if you don't like it, say it again. I'll snooze you again. Blah, blah, blah. Just like taunting and creating toxicity. Literally creating toxicity, guys. The mods. I'm like, I don't know. You know, I'll be wanting to watch it play because I like to watch streams. But I'll get to a point where I'll be like, I can't take the chat anymore. So I'll just go watch something else. You know what I mean? Mandatory bosses, probably around 20. Not exactly certain. I just went in blind. He's talking about Liza P. It was a first playthrough. I missed a ton of stuff after I finished the game and looked it up. Ah, okay. Yeah, right. It might warrant another playthrough, huh? They introduced a new weapon, Caleb, in yesterday's update, and it's super OP, needs to be nerfed or not given to a new player straight away. In Liza P, they put a new weapon? Sword of Night and Flame is there once you get to the elevator. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do it on this character, though. If I am, it's not going to be on this playthrough. So, now I've never jumped over here before. I've never walked right here before, guys. I just wanted to go and double buff up for that, guys. You know, just to be sure. Think I'll get points for it? You know I will. Sorry, doggy. Now I'm gonna kill your sister. Since I'm all buffed up and no place to go. Wow, my jump attacks aren't working, guys. Okay, I'll target you. Dude, these daggers are killer, man. Okay. I think we just run past a new weapon in Liza P. I think we just run past. I'm gonna drink this now, so I don't have to. I think I'll get this up. so I'm ready to summon the Mimi. Wow. I don't know, they all had the... Oh my god! This guy's probably gonna bother me at the door, huh? Oh, I didn't know that guy was gonna chase me all the way either. Gotta get away from the door, you know why? So Mimi won't fight the door. I didn't know I was gonna have so much time to buff right here, guys. Loretta. Mimi, quick! Mimi, I said quick! Does Loretta bleed real... Oh my god. Does Loretta bleed real bad? I'm willing to bet not. Oh, she's taking plenty of damn. I'm not gonna stop until I think I need to stop. Hey! I'm the best Souls player in the world! I'm the best Souls player in the world, folks. What's up, Dave? Vince Smoke, Sanji, good to see you, my brother. Yeah, that was a really well fought fight. My skills, I felt like, were on point. There's loot up here, isn't there? Yeah, it just went at her, man. Isn't there loot up here? Isn't this like that weird safe spot or something? You could like run over here and Loretta would de-aggro or something. Was it over here? Did you guys? Does anyone remember that? There was like a weird safe spot over here that she couldn't see you anymore. I saw in a video. They're probably trolling me. They probably wanted me to just stand there so Loretta could kill me. You know what I'm saying? I feel pretty good about 50% dragon too. It's not gonna be a problem. It's a dragon, so I'm thinking dogs. I hear I can mount up. I just got to be careful I don't get too close. You're saying why dogs? Because it's a dragon. Well, I just feel like you know, last dragon we fought, Mimi wasn't good for much. You know what I mean? Flame, give me strength. Wheel rebuff. Golden, give me vow. Flame, give me some strength. I'm just gonna run in there and see if I can't get on his footsie. Yeah, that was like she just backed right up. That was jacked up, bro. There's no way. This is the worst fight ever. I've never done this little damn in the whole. I'm getting bad RNG on the movement. Come on. Well, and that was a skill issue. That was a skill issue too. Okay. Okay, drink. How do you get back up? Oh, he's coming down. I don't want him to reset. Am I down by like Selvius' house or something? Sadly, if he resets, I bet I can still kill him, right? Yeah, he reset. And the dogs are gone. No, they're not. Got it. That was quite the hassle, but sorry, doggies. It's kind of funny the way they're going away really slow one at a time. Do they always do that? We got to go talk to Ranny, guys. Ranny the witch. I know Trey has to add people if you plan on adding Trey. His privacy settings isn't up anyway. Oh, you're talking about PlayStation? All right. Running. Gonna talk to Ranny. You have to do all this to do like Radon stuff, right? $136,000 rooms, guys. I have to remember. I have to freaking remember that I own these rooms. Dude, I never thought I'd be this hungry right now, guys. This is freaking awesome. I mean, I'm good. I'm good. But I might make a sandwich later, man. Yeah, keep that here. It's fine. Go talk to Ranny the witch. Ranny the witch, the wonderful, wonderful witch. Whenever she gets in a fix, she reaches into her bag of tricks. Ranny the witch.
I would have called. He'd not, I'm sure.
Don't you go up there bothering my wife, Charlie. Sorry, Billy.
It hath been
I think she's sexier at the end when she's dead and she's all jacked up.
It hath been
Looks like she's been through a freaking war.
thou needs.
You know, I kind of always felt that way about Britney Spears, you know.
They too wish to.
I never thought she was really that pretty till like she got a little, started looking a little white trashy. I'm like, yeah, man. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. You know what I'm saying? Sweatpants at the house. That interview. That's what I'm talking about. Put on if you. I don't like them too skinny, folks. I ain't trying to get with no freaking. I don't have any problems with thin girls. I'm not saying I don't. I've dated plenty of thin girls, but I like a little something to hold on to. And there was that's the Britney Spears I like, which I think is funny, but it's just true.
I will. Let us give all together.
Together. Okay, I guess we're done talking. I gotta be careful I don't whack that guy. Now we gotta go talk to Blade, Blad, Bleod, whatever your name is. This guy. Hey, Ghost Boy. You look like a wolf. What is the Everjail where he helps me in an Everjail or something? Isn't there a thing like that? Or do I do the Everjail and then he helps me with something else? Or... Oh, and the rudest guy in the game. Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, don't talk. Yeah. Yeah, and like I'll poison somebody for you. That'll be great. That'd be great. Yeah, I would love to go in cahoots with you. But you know, if we want to get our Nepheli doll. Oh, I got to go back and talk to her. I remember the first time that wall was there. I'm like, it won't let me leave. It's because I got to go talk to Ranny again. Ranny. I am not probably good enough to be parkouring outside on the horse, so I'm just going to get off the horse. Get off the horse, man. Forlorn Hounds, Everjail, where you fight Darrow for the Bloodhound Fang. He gives you Summerstones too. And Blade will help me with the Everjail? Dave Joyce, Forlorn Hound. Okay.
It will be this doll's still I look for. I shall.
You can summon him in the boss area?
And it will be. I have high look forward.
You can summon him in like you look in the boss area. There's a summon sign on the ground. Are you dead serious? Like, can we go do that right now? That's freaking fun. I want to do that. I just want the close grace. Forlorn Hound Everjail, and that one is not too far in the game, right? Is that Whispering Peninsula? Yeah, Billy got it faster than you, but you're telling me there's a summon sign inside an Everjail? Because Everjails are the one thing in this game you have to do by yourself, right? Which is kind of cool, actually. Yeah, I know where you live, buddy. I'm coming to your freaking dumb house. I just want the loot. I'm just going to, like, right in front of him, I'm going to, like, take stuff out of his house. You know why? Because he's not going to do anything about it. If he does, I'll kill him and I'll talk to the Pope later. And you can do it before you even summon the boss?
Well, did you not hear?
Yes, you have to find Blade at Mistwood Ruins, then talk to Kale. He teaches you to snap. Then go back to Mistwood Woods to snap. Blade comes down and talks to you about Darrell. Oh my gosh.
The only thing, are we understood?
Mistwood Ruins.
I have enough.
Yeah, you got enough on your plate. Is that early game? Is that something I could go do right now? That'd be fun. When you do the Evergel, Blade's runes are there. Dude. He teaches me how to snap. What does that mean? Just taking your loot. Memory slot, what is it? Yeah, it's a memory slot, because there's nothing there, folks. Carrier Manor is done. Yeah. Oh, the emote snap. It's all in Limegrave. See, Mistwood Ruins is probably like over here. Where's Mistwood? Right here? Gatefront. Mistwood's over here. Waypoint. Dragonburnt. Mistwood. Blade is at Mistwood Ruins? Really? It's a little bit of riding, folks, but you know what? We kind of didn't do any of that. Renala, to me, I know I could, the way the dam is working, I know I could do Renala right now. Because of the NG Plus. Ooh. What you got here? I've got a golden seed. Okay, wait. Yeah, I remember going too far lefty. You want to definitely go east this way, because I'll end up too high up in the world. If I remember right. Ooh. Shiny. Why do I want the shinies, guys? I don't need them. That thing was fixing to explode on in my face, bro. Come on. Dude, he hit me. You shot me! That dude freaking nailed me, bro. That was Jack. Come on! Okay, I got it. And there's one more over here I missed. Oh, one more over here I missed too. Come on. Okay. Get there, Jersey Maker Grace, but you gotta teleport. Am I going the right? I think I'm in the wrong spot. I don't remember being up here. So the highway is to the left. Okay. Yeah, the first vendor in the game by the lake. What shack is this? This is Bernal, right? Let's just say hi to him. Be sure things are good.
Let me ask, are you here? Does your fate despite takes me
That
back?
troll just died, guys.
Now's the time.
Or he killed something else. I don't think we need ashes, guys. Okay. Yeah, the Church of Marika is here. Third church, right? And there's physics stuff over here, but we've already gotten those in the past, but we don't have them right now because we suck because we started NG+1. This way. Okay, so first thing I need to do is go over here and grab this third church of Marika Grace, right? And get the we gotta help him out, guys. Only because we get the dags. We get the dags, guys. He's gonna pop out quick. He's gonna pop out quick, guys. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Give me my exalted flesh.
Well, aye.
Nailed it. They call me the fly swatter, folks, because of my extreme skills in shooting those mosquitoes out of the sky. It's not true, but hear him howl. Should we kill the pumpkin? I got a $1.35. What do you think? What do you think he? What do you think he kicks, guys? What do you think he kicks? He don't kick much, huh? I just want to carve stuff with the daggers, guys. Sorry, sir. We got a pumpkin head, and I think no runes. It's okay though. Smithing stone's right here, so that'll be good. Okay, so we're going to third church first. Does this guy have anything really important? A cookbook that I don't have. I'm buying cookbooks this playthrough. I'm buying turtlenecks too, folks. I know I could have just picked a number and it would have been better. Bigger, stronger, faster. I understand, guys. I should kill him for his ball bearing, but I don't think I need anything else. Oh, the pumpkin head drops rare? Really? Is it a helmet? Cool. It's gonna make me fat roll. Oh, I can drop down, huh? Yes, I can. Hear him howl. Hear him howl. You mean... What do you mean steps? Hear him howl. I feel like I didn't do that step. Someone said, get the church. We got a cookbook over here, folks. I don't know. What's right over there? I just saw a house. I'm going off the path, guys. What is this? Artist shack? Yeah. I'm grabbing it while I'm here, guys. Now I gotta go get the cookbook, guys. We gotta drop down for elk. Come on! Charlie, hey, Trevor Larson, how you doing, my brother? Good to see you, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are having a wonderful time here. Playing some Elden Ring, running through this Reduvia dagger build. Again, having a good time doing it. I think there's a little more dropping down, folks. Dropping down. I see blood right there. Not really feeling good about it. That guy dropped down from the wrong spot, guys. That's what he did. This is a little bit shorter of a fall. Alright. Whoa. Huh. I usually drop down that far. Whatever. Okay. Grabbing, grabbing. Come on. I'm not good with the torrent, guys. Now wait. Why is the cookbook not here? Do I already have one? I might already have it, guys. This cookbook, I might already have the cookbook. So we're not going to trip. Whoa. And I can see the church right there. I think there's tongue depressors. Or... Aren't there tongue depressors over here, guys? Or we just got to run down the poop. Yeah, no, it's tongue depressor. I am not a professional tongue depressor, guys. See, I got scared. Where is it? Right there? Okay. I'm gonna get the Mist Ruins. If he is there, he will be perched on top of the spire and howl. Oh, okay. Okay, so we do this first. We grab this grace. And the loot that comes with it. And then we run south. Past the 7 layers of the Candy Cane Forest. And to the Mistwood Ruins. Where there's a freaking A werebearer. Tongue depression is the worst. Yeah, man, no kidding. Any type of depression is no joke, especially tongue depression. When is depression good? When you get the tongue depressors in Elden Ring and you can hop down them. Am I passing Sophia River yet? It's like right here, isn't it? Yeah, I see it now, guys. I see it now. We're not going to grab the grace, guys. We're not going to grab the grace. We'll get you later, Sophia River. Am I supposed to do Sophia River first? All these tarnished flowers. I don't know where you loot with them. Isn't there loot right here? Or is it a beetle I have to kill? I thought there was a physics. Or is it not here because I already have it? I thought there was some loot or something right there. Where's that? Look at that. What is it? I even want to kill it. Tongue depression is the worst. Oh no. Slow down, buddy. Asherborg Ground Slam. Cool. That could go good with my pumpkin head. Mistwood Ruins. It's right here. Okay, now I know where the bear is. You said if he's here, he'll be... I just heard someone scream. He'll be on top of something? I don't see him on top. I don't want to wake up the werebear. Hopefully he is still there. You already talked to Ranny. He might be in Sophia River. Well, looking for the entrance to Nokron. You're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. So does that mean I can't get it? Ooh. Loot. I guess I can't crouch. And so he's gone forever. Oh man, that sucks. Oh my god! I already had this loop, but I want it again. Jesus. That bear screams like all the way down the hallway, folks. Okay, I'm running out, guys. There's no way. There's no way I'm, pick a memer. Let's see what our dam could do against this fool, guys. Oh, I don't have a golden vow now. Or a flask. Well, we got grant me strength. Let's go take this fool out. Where's the dogs? Where's the dogs? Come on, I only wanted to fight him because of the dogs. The dogs are downstairs in the room? Dude! Has anyone ever seen him do that? I thought he was going to at least throw me. I want to talk to my dogs. Oh my god, they're scared. They're scared of him, guys. They're freaking scared of him. They won't fight him? You gotta get up in his belly! He's lucky. He's lucky I only have 10 health pots. Whoa! He's gonna kill my dogs. I actually need to kill him. There we go. Tell me when he's dead. My eyes are closed. Jeez Louise. Okay, so that mission is over. I guess we can grab the fort. I could teleport out, but I would have not then. I would have had to run back. Because I want to grab this grace rail. I'm right next to it. You know what I mean? So I'm like, well, I'll just summon the dogs and run out and kill this thing. And the dogs wouldn't come. They were scared of him. They were standing in the hallway. Did you see them? They were standing in the hallway scared, like scared little babies. You think they got stuck? I think they looked scared to me. They look freaking scared to me. Ooh, Flaskuses. Increase amount. There we go. Good. Okay, I think I'm just going to try and run past all this. What do you guys think about that? I should be able to speed run through this, right, guys? Thank you, Caleb. It wasn't a bad job. I mean, actually, I took a lot of hits. Took a lot of hits. It wasn't exactly a valiant fight. I thought I was supposed to bump into him. Are they both chasing me? They're throwing poopies at me, guys. Who's coming? No one's chasing me? They say in the speedrun playthrough it said bump into that last one and he won't follow you up the ladder. And you saw how I tried to do that. Huh. We'll let him calm down, and then we'll go out and kill the little area. It's not really a boss, but you know, the knight that's like stronger than the rest of the fools that are there. My name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. If you like what you see and you can toss me a sub right here on YouTube, I would so appreciate it. If you like what you see, throw a like too. Likes are good, guys. Likes make a difference. Okay. Should I summon the dogs now? I've got that in a different hand than I usually do. I'm not gonna lie. I probably don't need that, especially with the Mimi. But you know what? He wouldn't have died that fast, guys. He wouldn't have died near as fast. Okay, now I feel like whoa. Didn't know I was going down. Looks like I'm doing some rat killing. Now everyone dies in the castle. Just because. Dude, Mimi actually came to save me. That was really, really cool of Mimi. I'm impressed because Mimi usually is good for nothing. I think we killed them all. I think we killed them all. Was there an archer like up here around the corner to the left? I think I just was here. I think I was just here. Get backstabbed! Sorry there, buddy. I just want to do the backstab, guys. I opened that chest, right? That was the other half of the other medallion. Dectus, the huge Dectus medallion. Okay, good. So we got that grace. We got that done. I was heading to Renala, but I feel like I should do Sophia River first. Don't you guys agree? Sophia River? Is it a better move? if I have any big runes, Inventorio. Guys, I just can't. Oh, that's the grafted. Oh yeah, this I can spend. Question is, how many runes do I need? I'm gonna get 20 for this, right, guys? 20k. Level up. I need 181. I need 40. 38, 39k. So the question is if I have 19 with this other stuff. 19k, I doubt it. I'm gonna pop this one just to check it. 5,000. I probably have it. Right? If I don't, I got junk. We're gonna take a level, folks, and we're gonna put it in mind so we can start summoning our Black Knife teacher. Oh my god! I'm never ready for this! You never should have tried that on me, buddy. I just face tanked him, folks. And that happens when you kill... I thought when that happens, the whole place looks like crap. I've been trying to trigger that fight. I don't know what does it.
A pleasure to my name is written this poem.
Yeah. I don't need anything right now from you. I don't know why I'm talking to you. Oh, I got runes for that too, I think. Maybe.
New face, no matter how you're up.
I still don't know exactly what does that. Oh, I got to do the number. I got to do the number, guys. Oh, I know I got it now. And this. Okay. Oh, yeah, we got it. We got a level, guys. One of the, half of the Halig Tree tablet. Is that right? Wow. I think I'm going to grab a... What do I eat, guys? Goldfish? From Vegas? I mean, those things, I opened that package like... What? When was I in Vegas? 2 months ago? No, a month and a half ago. No, it was a month ago. For my brother's birthday. So, I opened them a month ago, and they're still good. Or... Cheeto pretzels. Those are still good, too. They're both going to be orange. They're both going to be cheesy, guys. I'll take you guys with me. If you've never been to the coffee cam, it is blocked right now, but I'm going to unblock it and show you the coffee cam, guys. Check it out. The light's on. Hey! I say we get them both, guys. Because if I'm gonna go do Sophia River right quick, let's come back to this one, guys. I gotta get a little something on my stomach, guys. I ate 2 hot dogs earlier. That guy's name was Pick Slinger. What would that mean? To me, I think about guitar player. Because pick is a guitar pick, and the guitar slinger is a guitar player. What does Pick Slinger mean? Tell me what it means. You tell me what Pick Slinger means. And I will go knock out Sophia River. These are good. I'll show you guys these. Cheetos pretzels, guys. They're Cheetos, but they're pretzels. Not puffy Cheetos. They're fresh, folks. That's all I needed. We're only how many levels away from gosh, from summoning the Black Knight PJ. Statistician 3. Tell me something though. If I put on one of these things, I can do that just to summon him, right? I can do that just to summon him, right? And then I can switch it out real quick? Or is that not how it works? Gotta put my gaming face back on, folks. I just washed my hair too, it's a little bit wet. And I hate putting this on, put my headphones on when my hair's wet. It's gonna jack it up. My hair's gonna be jacked up. But you know what? I'm going to Sophia River. That's gonna be fun. Nothing can stop that. Albus Dumbledore. 1.5 how triggers it. Okay, good. We know that. Cool, cool. Now, cat knows all the tricks. I think my throat was so dry when I ate that. Okay, see if that's better. How fast can I knock this out, guys? We're not going to get a level. Will we get a level for killing a reindeer? Old Albus. Yeah, we'll try some goldfish now while we're coming down the elevator. Wash down the pretzels with some goldfish, folks. Goldfish. I bought these in Vegas because I wanted food in my room. Never opened them. Still fresh. My son used to love these. I mean, I'm sure he still does. Right? If he used to like them, why would he stop liking them? If you like them when you're 10, you like them when you're 20, right? I never really considered that. I sprinkled a drop of water on my glasses. That's sad. Yeah, I cleaned my toilet today, so that was good. Okay, moving forward. Moving forward, folks. This is not my first playthrough, so I don't have to grab all the loot. I feel irresponsible for not grabbing at least a glove ward, so right? Oh wait, oh, is there a glove ward over here though? I think there is. Because what happens if we want to like level up more dogs or something, right? You see, that's what I want. That's why I came back, folks. Now I'm just getting all the loot, guys. What am I doing? Whoa. Silver firefly. Whoa. Is that a message or is that loot? And if... What is that? Right here. It's a message. Nothing, folks. There was nothing there. Billy Mullenix says, I'm doing everything so backwards on this playthrough. That's okay, man. It's your playthrough. No one's gonna audit your playthrough when it's over and say that you did something backwards. And I know there's a level right over here. And there's loots right here. Yeah, and fireflies for everybody. Everybody gets a firefly! I don't feel like I need to go over for this loot. I don't think it's anything important for me. This loot I just have to get because, you know, I want to. Good, yeah, we've spent a lot of money, folks. Probably not a bad idea to respect money. I'm doing everything so backwards on this playthrough. It's making things very interesting. I got every Somber Stone except 7 super early. I already went to Volcano Manor via Academy Virgin Fight. Went from level 20 to 75 just today. Nice, Billy. Sounds to me like you're having fun, bro. Now, I don't know why this freaking thing always gets mad at me when I steal its eggs. Whoa. Guys. The beast liver. They're just eggs! It's just an egg! It's like, no, they're my babies. I'm not even considering that, guys. I don't know why you gotta be an angry crab all the time. Yeah, this game, man, once you kind of learn, you know, how to get around and stuff, you can just knock stuff out, you know. This was like a whole evening. The first time I was here, oh my god, it was a long stream. It was so much fun. I loved Sophia River the first time. And when it was done, when I finally did the reindeer boss, I had seen it on... Whoa. I had seen it on video, on a YouTube video, but I did not know, like, anything about it. Like, I didn't know a strat for it. I didn't know anything. I just was like, oh, it's that reindeer boss thing. I saw it on the flying reindeer. Whoa, whoa. I saw it on YouTube. Oh, come on. Don't hit me! I want this loot. What is it? Lump of flesh. But, yeah, man. It was fun. It was just fun. I loved the Sophia River. First time I got to it. Okay. We got a fire over here. Yeah, this was one of my favorite areas. Yeah. It's just cool. It's cool to come to and knock out. I don't know if I need that cookbook that guy sells, but I got 10k on me. I mean, I could... This is... Ooh, was Blade gonna be here already or no? You don't talk to Blade yet here, right? Dude, that guy came at me from like a mile away. No, Blade's not here yet. Shoot me! That archer... Oh my god. Dude! I was sure that guy was gonna knock me off. Yeah. I was so sure that dude was gonna knock me off, guys. Yeah, those things pretty much hit every time, right? Whoa. There was loot, right? I don't know why you gotta be angry all the time. Whoa. That one, oh, the blue ball one. Just LOS the blue balls, guys. And you'll never get the blue balls. Billy says, I'm definitely... Oh, Colin said this is definitely an error which I wish I could see for the first time again. Yeah. I'll tell you, just going down an elevator was a freaking experience for me. I'll never forget it. I'll never freaking forget it. And I'll never forget, Tom Proctor offered me the $20 challenge, guys. 2,000 Facebook gaming stars. If I could, now wait. I missed one, guys. Didn't I miss one? 2,000 Facebook gaming stars if I killed the boss behind the fog wall. We didn't know what it was. It was first time playing the game. But I had a rock sling, guys. I was pretty confident. I mean, you know, it's a free roll for me anyway. So I went in there, man, and I staggered him. I staggered him when he had no health. Like basically, I thought it killed him. And I didn't realize it was a stagger. I thought he died. Because I hadn't heard the stagger thing 100 times. I hadn't killed a bunch of bosses, or I didn't know. I just didn't know for a fact that that was a stagger. And I hit him, man, with a rock sling. He looked like he looked dead. He staggered. He dropped down. I'm like, I did it! Then he jumps up and comes at me again. And I shot another rock sling at that fool. And that freaking sucker dodged the whole thing. And killed me. I swear to God, it was hilarious. But Tom Proctor, being the ever generous person, gave me another chance, and we did it on a second attempt. There's some people, guys, that were just part of the After Dark community that I just, for some reason... Well, some people just... They always say it. They say it. They say, now, I didn't switch platforms over here, like, from Facebook for good. Chess streams are still there, and I don't see changing that. But a lot of the After Darkers, they didn't come. They didn't follow us over. A lot of you guys did. Edgar Castro comes in. All you guys did. But sometimes everyone just... I'm not going to go do that. And is this like a Stone Sword key over here or something? Or is it a Rune Arc? If it's a Rune Arc, it's worth the run. I'm trying to remember what it is. It's probably nothing. The way you got to run all the way around for it. Rune Arc! Okay. Oh, wait, no. I want to run back. Because I got to get this other... Like this other fire. I think I still missed one, guys. I feel like I did. I didn't think I could do that, but hey. You gotta try. Right? Okay, big rats, folks. Big rat. Should I top off? Yeah. Just because it doesn't matter. Not too far! I wanted to get a little bit of LOS. That wasn't right next to the freaking edge. You know what I mean? Okay. The one I miss is over here on... It's on the right. It's down here on the right, I guess. How come I didn't see it, though? Oh. Don't be crabby on me now. Right there. Get out of my way, dears. Come on! It's gonna get me killed! I hate when it gives you a message and you have to freaking hit a... You have to hit a button to make the message go away and nothing works. It's annoying. Alright. Just started it yesterday. Just made it to Altus, right? Just cruising it out. Really, my last one was only 3.5 hours. start to finish. By that time, I had barely beaten Renal on this playthrough. I'm going. Whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Yeah, blue balls guys are nasty. I should go to the. Oh wait, Glowwort. A ghost one, man. I'll take it. A Foulfoot? I didn't even know that was here, guys. We're gonna rest. So we have full malarkey. Any summons is gonna stand in the poo on this one. Oh, did I fight anything? Because I put on that greatly raises attributes, but takes more damage thing. I just wanted to see if I could summon Tish and then switch it. And I think I can. Yeah, man. So we had to figure out about lighting all those fires and find them all, and then the reindeer. Okay. So, let's see if I can summon a Black Knife Tish. Oh, I can't summon until I get in, so I'm not even going to know. I'm going inventory. I'm going equipment. I'm not going to use this and find out. If I use Radagon Source Seal, greatly raises attributes. If I have that, will I be able to, will that raise my mind by 5 points? Does it work? I'm going wherever Kingslayer Sardo goes. It's a vibe that abides. Bielski, thank you, man. Because if not, I'm going to feel dumb. I think I probably do. Drink. And go in. And I can't summon him. And which one do I want? Oh, we got the wrong one now, guys. So. Putting a poop on him. He's standing in the poop, and now I'm standing in the poop. I got 12 health pots. Something tells me I can burn one. I tried to roll that, and I didn't really try very hard on that one. He's trying to delete me, guys. Hey! Got it. We got him with the poopy, guys. We got him with the poopy, folks. 50. Yeah, so no level for that, guys. I don't think you even deserve a level for that, to be perfectly honest. Oh, you can teleport out here. Anywhere in the world? Like, Renala? Finally getting on. Cool, Drew. Just be sure to use your weapon as when you start getting too far away. Yeah, you're right. And I've got, I had talismans for it, but I took them off because I wasn't using it. You know what I mean? I had the jar or shard of Alexander or whatever. Whatever. and then I had the lowest cost of FP for skills. But I don't use it. The range on it sucks. Of course, it's better than the dagger, but it's not. You still got to be pretty close. Man, I'm buying those pretzel Cheetos tomorrow. Yeah, I keep going to the Goldfish now because they're open. Rest it up. I should be eating snack, guys. I'm not a snacker. I shouldn't eat snacks, guys. I'm so not a snacker. But you know what I'm gonna eat later? I think it's a freaking sandwich. I need to eat something though. I need to make something. Or streamer food. The pretzel Cheetos are pretty cool, man. They're different. I'll be honest. You know, they're more substantial than Cheetos, because Cheetos are made of air, right? Pretzels are dense. But the flavor is good. I'm sure I can find a whole one for you guys. It looks like my pumpkin-headed friend. Getting to the bottom, you know what that means? Gotta lick the freaking... Gotta lick the cheese off your fingers, bro. Yeah. Just got a bummer these fools. They hit me with the book. She tried to hit me with that knowledge, folks. Isn't there a parkour this way? No. I'm thinking of another area. I love big soft pretzels with a ton of mustard, a huge homemade pickle. Oh, Drew, that sounds so good. You're killing me. You're killing me. Whoa. I'm not doing this the easy way, guys. I just turned around accidentally. That wasn't too painful. Stamp, get my stamp for the jump and grab. For the stab and slab. This guy's gonna try and grab me too, I think, right now. I think I should drink. I know, but you know what? I don't feel like doing this run again. And up here, sometimes they can ah! Sometimes they can screw you at the drive-thru. That scared me, guys. Especially when you stop to smell the roses and grab the loot. Made it! There's a boss up here, right? We're gonna have to kill him. He's going away? Good, go away. Before someone drops a house on you. I can't summon for this boss. I would have buffed. Got him! I ain't gonna lie. Well, no. I'm trying to pillage a corpse. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't think I didn't know. Pretty low carb hot. Yeah, man. I go on low carb diets, but I don't like live low carb as a rule. When I'm off a low carb diet, I just eat stuff. You know what I mean? I'm not worried about it. But low carb diet for me, this is not health advice. Consult your physician. For me, oh god. Low carb is a really easy, pretty painless way to lose a few pounds. You know what I mean? Everybody's different. And to be honest, I get a little tired of it. People say, yeah, but you can't sustain it. It's like, I know, yeah, whatever. Okay. Maybe. It's not perfect. For me, eating steak and eggs and vegetables and cheese as much as I want, and chicken and pork chops and bacon as much as I want, and lose weight for a few months might kill me. I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna kill me. Now this playthrough we may not have. Whoa. I want to kill her, but I want to stab her, guys. Because I don't know if I get this loot, because this is only my second one, right? My second playthrough. I don't know if I got to go all the way down there, guys. I think we got a date with the red dog, folks. Yeah, I've heard it too. You can't eat rice, bread, and sugar. It's not sustainable. Yeah. Okay, LOL, I've been doing it since 2013. Telling me how it isn't sustainable. You know what, Drew? Like I said, this is not health advice, but I know a guy here on Facebook. He's like a keto kind of weightlifter guy. Keto weightlifter kind of guy. He's all cut and everything. He's all cut and buff. Better get in there quick, Mimi, because I'm still buffing. No! What you got, buddy? Dude! I think I killed him with my big pumpkin head. With my large cranium! Pretty easy, Red Dog. Can we all agree? So you're doing a keto diet? Drew. He just lives like that. Yeah, but Drew does it as a lifestyle. He doesn't, he's not just doing it like for 4 months to lose a few pounds or something. Yeah, I don't even know how true that is. Isn't there like all kinds of... Consult your physician, guys. Consult your freaking physician. I don't want to say it again. But like, isn't like the 4 food groups and stuff, like isn't that all like just something that people that didn't know what they were talking about made up a long time ago? You're supposed to eat grains every day. Like, that's not a real thing, right? Isn't that not true? That's what I heard. I don't know though, so don't take this as medical advice, because it's not, or a dietitian advice. I heard that was made from a long time ago. It's like, you know, they can grow grains. enough to feed a lot of people. Right? Producer says, it's my style. I still drink beer and having some snacks during special events and holidays. Right, nice. Cool, so you know about the liver stores extra glucose as glycogen, and a keto diet consists of draining those storage reserves. Yeah, that whole pyramid thing is a mess. Right. Okay. Buffing. Buffing. Cheesing! No, I don't know if I'm gonna cheese him or not. Why do I... Got him! I'm glad I buffed for that, guys. Because now we can run right in. I'm not going to have... Well, you know what? I might have my flask for Phase. For the first time she falls. Right? Not going to have it for Phase 2. Watch for the little bubble hits, guys. There's one. Get out of the way, kids. I need to hit your mom. Got her, guys! Gotta dance! That was nice, huh? That was nice. Tell me that wasn't nice. Now, do I have time to summon? Or is she gonna come at Jeremy? I don't think I have time to summon, huh?
My beloved.
I'm gonna die. Come on, I gotta top off at least once. Get her! Kill her now! Boy, the cops are gonna come, guys. The cops are gonna come. Did you hear what I just screamed at the top of my lungs? That's bad, guys. That's bad. Gaming could maybe get you in trouble, guys. I never even considered that. Get her. Kill her now. I'll be like, I'm sure I was talking about Renala. I'd be like, oh, Renala, la, 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 la. That was one of my easier Renalas, guys. That was one of my easier Renalas, for sure. Edgar Castro, how you doing, my brother? That was freaking awesome. The bleed, man. It's kind of like Rivers of Blood. It's kind of like a Rivers of Blood build, only a little bit different. Got to be a little bit closer. Caleb, right? When I got headphones on, I talk and scream louder. And I'm passionate about the game. I want Mimi to freaking help me out a little bit so we can just melt her. I want it before the summons, guys. That's what we got, right? And I scream, get her, kill her. No.
Be not alive. I would burn.
Got you. I'm grabbing your grace in case I want to come back here and forget all my talent points. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing tonight? My name is Charlie. If you're new to the stream, I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring After Dark. I pretty much made the YouTube, the Elden Ring channel, and then we, on Facebook, bigger community over there than we have here so far. Been doing that for about 3.5 years, and we play chess over there, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Check it out if you have any interest. Come on and join that community. And if you like what you see here, you could drop me a subscription, a sub, and a like would help me out a whole bunch. So thank you. Now, I don't know what. I think it was it. I don't know. I don't even know. Where do you go after this? Oh, I can take the other port. I can take the other port, right? Not Church from the Cuckoo. Debate Parlor. Schoolhouse Classroom. Is it Church of the Cuckoo? Or is it oh, that's Academy Main Gate. Okay. So yeah, I could take this portal, right? This is the portal to Bellum Church. Now this is the way to start heading to Altus, and we still don't actually have to do anything in Caelid yet, right? Oh, and I have a level 2. We'll level up at Bellum Church, folks. Another point of mine, if you're okay with that. Or if you don't mind, is what I'm trying to say. And then we'll be closer. And I even left on the Radagon, the Sword Shield. I take more damage and do more damage. You know that? Ooh, I forgot there's a... Let's go ahead and grab that loot too. And then we'll come right back and take a level up and add a flask, man. Or add a power to my flask. Whoa, precious item. Stop with the messages. People got the messages on the ground. I love them, guys. I complain about them, and I love them. I could go offline, guys. I enjoy it. I think it's fun. Oh, wait, one more thing. We want to burn our points. Level up. Mind gets 2 more, guys. There we go. Now, Drew. Cat, anybody? Does anyone want to meet me at the Grace up here and run me through the tunnel? We'll run together through the tunnel for the magma worm, guys. You don't want any trouble, huh? I should kill him just for saying that. You don't want any trouble. Well, you found it, but he's got 3 rune arcs, man. I'm buying them, guys. We're probably gonna need them for freaking Radagon Elden Beast. Cat's loading up. Hell yeah, me too. All right, man, guys, we're getting a band back together. Trey's not here. That's what's great about the band. Our band is multilingual. I just want to say a word that went along with multi. Multitaskal. Oh, wait a minute. I think I should have a Taunter's Tongue. Whoa. I should, well, I gotta get the Grace anyway, so let me run to the Grace. And then if I don't have the Taunter's Tongue, I gotta go grab it right quick. Hopefully, I'll get it as quick as Kat gets it. Kat went to get that Taunter's Tongue last night, and she, we were at the Grace, we were ready to go do something. She's like, I'll go get it real quick. Well, all right. She walked in, she kicked butt, and she came back. She came back with it, and we got our Taunter's Tongue. Whoa. Poopies. Lots of poopies over here. What do we got here? Smithing stones. Things we don't need. Band back together. You know it. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta see if I have it first. Inventorio. It would be down at the bottom with the other PvP stuff. I have one. I have one. Okay, so I'm gonna swap out Black Knife T-shirts. We can't use them yet. For the dirty Taunter's Tongue. And then I've got these pulled up to summon you guys. Okay, and I'm sure you guys are here. I don't know if you can put... It's okay if I put it down right here, right? I just... What I gotta do, though, guys, I gotta hit the bio. I was born on the bio, okay? Let me... Oh, sign inside the tunnel. Okay. So I gotta run up and go inside the tunnel. That's not that far, though. It's no big deal. Inside the cave up top. You guys are so smart at this game. You guys know why I never learned anything about this game? Because I have a freaking dictionary of people who always know what to say. And it's why I don't have to learn. Because you guys do it for me. Whoa. Sorry, sir. I'll tell you, 40 big's pretty good. You know what I mean? Like right here. Is this inside the tunnel? I mean, it'll work anywhere, right? Whoa. It will be here. Will it be all the way in here? Looking for dirty fingers. Did I do it right or no? I did it inside the tunnel, like right here. All right. Oh, let me check, but it should be. Sorry. I wasn't set, but it should be good now, Drew. Breaking news! Charlie is eating a delicious snack. Sorry. I like this shirt, man. Fits pretty good. Colors are good. Pearl snaps. Pearl snapped. I like it. I don't know why I wear it. I don't wear it. Yeah, it fits alright. I'm wearing it now. Yep. I got Weizenberg. And we're waiting for Luxembourg. Harlow. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Trooper chair for you guys. Thank you, guys. Oh, no, what happened? Harlow didn't make it? What happened to Harlow? Oh, she's there. We invaded? I didn't put the tongue down yet. Let me get the tongue down, guys. Dirty tongue. Lure invaders? Of course. I mean, hey, I get the freaking Reduvia daggers. Did you guys clear as far as you could? If Trey was here, he would have been standing by the stone going, show me where it is. Of course, I'm saying in a poopy. We're all gonna die from the poopies, guys. Go ahead. I'll watch the door. Didn't you say there was an invader? Did you guys kill the invader? Oh, we can't. Ah! It's okay, guys. I took care of it. So he was downstairs, I guess. That was awesome. Thank you, Caleb. Protect Charlie. That was funny. That dude freaking. That dude. I got some poison Bulbasaurs. I should. I don't have poison Bulbasaurs. I still got the poo on me. There was a lot of poo. You guys are brutal. You guys are brutal. You guys kill everything. I hate these little guys. They're so annoying. You hit me. Oh, God. This guy's good. I think you think. Hey! Ha! Trapped him, folks. Good job. I still had a poo on me, man.
Hey!
I still had a poo on me, guys. You guys still got the poo on you, too. Ah! Get me out of here! There's poo in here! I just got the poo off of me. Did you just get the poo off of us? That's the nicest thing anyone's ever done to me. Number 6. Oh, did it only work for a minute? I feel like we got more poo on us now. Invaded by Bloody Herbert. Here he is. I'm sorry, guys, but that was fun. They said invader when Trooper Chair Cam was on. Nice! They would protect me. But that doesn't mean that you can, because he could just dodge around and instead of hitting them, hit me, and he very well could maybe... Are there birds up here somewhere? I hate birds, guys. Ooh! Nice jam with the ranged halberd. You bird. My bird. We all bird for Halberd. The bat. Got him. Invader! Invader! That was close. Yeah, this is fun. A lot of invaders tonight. Bloody Finger 123 has died. Great name. The guy's name is 123, folks. Okay. I get the poo on me. Dude, you guys are really good with the birds. I hate the Marty birds, and these guys are good teammates. They hate them more than I do. That was great. I can't imagine what must go through their heads when they get pulled in and there's 3 people. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, 3 people, and 2 of them are Cat and Drew, okay? Cat and Drew don't mess around. And I mean, I'm slinging the Reduvias, man. Dual Reduvias. There's a little bit of slashing going on there. A little bit of poopies happening, folks. I hear the singing. It's the bird singing from Linernia. That is pretty funny, man. Now, I try to hit that guy as he was zoning in. In addition to that, totally being probably not very valiant. But I wasn't doing any big damn. Is that like is he protected or something? Boss number 1 has left the building. That would have been a good time for an invader, I think, because he could have made a challenge, you know what I mean? Hey! Dude, that Ronaldo was sick tonight, man. NG +1, just run in, slice and dice. Slice and dice phase 1, slice and dice phase 2. Pretty simply, man. You guys want to rest? Yeah. Is it multiplayer? You guys don't want to rest? I don't even know how to send him home, guys. Which button is it? Hey, it worked. Now I can rest. They'll have all their poopies. Watch me get invaded. Yep, that's the move. And we're going to summon this other fool, too. Wait, I just summoned somebody in Blackguard. Is he not one of us? Was I not supposed to summon him? Send him back. Blackguard, go away. Be gone before someone drops a house on you. Wow, that dude freaking melted me, bro. I didn't know I got invaded. I didn't know I got invaded. I wonder if he would have helped with the invader. He probably wouldn't have, huh? The ruined strewn Principice. Let me grab my runes. Putting down the Amigo's dirty finger. I'm gonna wait in a Tonner's tongue. This is Wachasaki. I missed invader message too. I think the summons do help fight invaders. That would have been funny. I don't see a cat. Oh, she said coming. Okay. These get better as they get to the bottom, but they get way messier on the old fingers, folks. When I'm done with the pretzels, and I got all the Cheetos cheese at the bottom of the bag, I should dump it on top of the goldfish, huh? Mmm. Cool. Gave me a chance to take some bites of dinner. Cheeto pretzels and goldfish. Well, now that you're here, tongue down. Tongue is down. Oh, I think I see her. Got you, Harlow. And no, those are gone. Okay, cool. Oh, wait. Equipment. Which one was I using? Oh, I remember now. No. I forgot what trinket I was using. I'm sorry you guys are all buffed up, huh? Well, you know what? I'll just take a little fire protection then. Hoping he does fire. He leaves poopies on the floor. He doesn't bleed much. He does poopy fire, though. Nice. The magma worm has been eliminated, folks. He looks like an invader. Okay, so I got to go to the next Grace, right? Wait. I always get turned around in there. That's the way we came in, folks. Winged sword insignia. I can't remember what it looks like though. But I'm gonna find it right now. Once I summon you guys. Winged sword insignia. It was below. You hardly even know me. I can just do it right here, right? Or do I have to go outside? No, I think I have to go outside, up the elevator, right, guys? Up the elevator and outside. I remember now. Winged sword insignia. That's it. Got it. This elevator is so like calm and relaxing. It reminds me of like the quiet time, like in an old, I don't know what. You can almost smell the wood though. You know what I mean? And being in this thing, man. Yeah, as a matter of fact, isn't there a Grace right here? We'll do it at the Grace. Yeah, at the Grace, guys. At the Grace. What happened? I got invaded, I think. I did.
Hey!
This guy's got poles, bro. This guy's freaking way fast. He's not using his range. Well, use it there. Yep. You get the frostbite on me! This guy's good. This guy's better at the range than me now, for sure. Oh, that thing I missed. We missed. Yeah, well. Hey! That was a really interesting fight. You know. You jump in to jump out. Well, I got invaded is all. Just put it anywhere else yet. Oh, I got a level too. Already touched that one? You said I guess I gotta put it on the yellow grass or... How do we need to help you beat Maker Cat? I don't know what that means. Maker Cat. I don't see Harlow. Is she coming? Oh, you don't have this one. Yeah, you just... Oh, I see. Yeah. I was just summoning you back in to just keep going. You don't have another character with this one, Cat? Or do you want to do your magma worm? Yeah, let's go. Let's go do Cat's magma worm. That is at... Oh, I can't... I gotta go back down the elevator. If it'll let me. I did him, just forgot to pick up the graces. Okay, so you can get the one grace that you just got, right? And then just run through it and take the elevator up and get this one. I literally think... He was one hit! He was one hit! He was one hit, man! He was one hit. I am trying to buff for nothing. He would have been so dead. Oh my god. But first things first. Get my runes. Yeah, Cat, can't you just go to the Grace right before Magma Worm, run through his room, take the elevator up, and you're here? Okay. Yeah. That's where I'll go too. But she said her Magma Worm's already done. But that's where port there, and I'll summon you right here in the hall. Just like last time. Only we'll run together. I almost had him. Oh, that's right. I'm so sorry. I'm hitting the wrong button, guys. Let me do. What do I switch? This. For this one. I'm sorry, I didn't put my finger down, man. I'm the noob. Yeah, Caleb. It was real close. I thought he was dead. He was one hit. Ruin-strewn precipice overlook. Yeah. See, Drew, I think I'm the one that was... Her worm's already done. Yeah. So here, let me... I'll summon you guys. There we go. Got you. I gotta redo it. I don't think you can do it, but don't you have to do it in the hallway? You couldn't do it in the hallway, right? Right before the boss? I'll go by the elevator. Yeah, go up the elevator and buy the Grace. That's the way to do it. That's what we did last time. Up the elevator. Whoa. Up the elevator, and the Grace is right on the left. Up the elevator, where I almost freaking killed that fool. Out by the elevator, outside or inside, cat? By the elevator. I'm coming up. Cat. Yeah. Okay. Because if cat, if you go up and you just walk and look left, the Grace is right there, and you can get the Grace. And that's normally where we would do it. But I just learned that because that's what Dre and Drew and Trey were doing. Oh, I'll do it right here. I just bit my mouth. I just bit my tongue so bad. Oh. Now, do you run to the Grace or no? Oh my god, I bit my tongue. Okay. And my sign is down. By the Grace. There we go. I just looked at the elevator and didn't see it. So I revoked it and put it by the Grace. But I'll go back to the elevator and look. I just don't see it. I don't see it, Cat. Cat, you can just run up this way and come over to the Grace, right? Oh, do we get invaded? Why did it say use summon a cooperator? What? I'm not seeing anything. I totally disfigured my freaking tongue. I bit it so hard. Cat, I can't see it. I see it now. I see it now. Gotcha, Harlow. You're in. It's okay. You'll see it now. You just gotta run up the little alley, and turn left. You'll see it. You'll get it now, or you'll see it now. I thought we got invaded or something. Wow. I bit my tongue pretty good, guys. I mean, like, I don't need stitches or anything. It's not an emergency. But I bit my freaking tongue pretty good. Hey! Blasphemous Blade in the background. She's rocking it. Who was doing that? Was that? Yeah, it was Harlow. Big dumb white dragon, right? I didn't know it was going to be lightning. Oh, you mean the dragon spits fire too? Good, we took care of it. Guys, I gotta go look at my tongue. You're not gonna believe this. I just need a second. Like, I gotta see it. Okay. I ain't gonna be a baby. It's okay, but I bit the crap out of my tongue, guys. Wow. But it's kind of on top. It's kind of raised and jacked up. It's all swollen, you know what I mean? Pretty nasty. But it's gonna be okay. It doesn't hurt when I talk. So that's good. Because we gotta talk. We gotta have a big mouth for a living, right? Yeah. Moving through. Grace is up here. Now that's that same dragon that we want to. Oh wait. Where am I trying to go?
Hey!
Oh well, I'll tell you. There's this. So I'm trying to go here. Okay, yeah, this looks good.
Hey!
Grab the Grace. Cool. Moving forward, folks. And I think I know where I am now. Ha! Whoever shot that dude with the fire was pretty freaking funny. Oh man. These dudes need to be taken out, bro. That was fun. Warming stones? Huh. They come in handy, folks. We got a bloody finger, guys. We got baited. We got it baited. Look, golden bow for the team. Oh, I'm all out of mana. Wait, no, I'm not. Here he comes. You try to put the poopy on us, guys. He's trying to put the poopy on Harlow. Put him out! He got me. Okay, I was a tad too aggressive. Now the thing to do is... Oh, you're sorry. I'm sorry. I'm the one that died. Now listen. The best way to do this is for you guys... If you don't have this Grace Cat, is for you to run up the hill past that white dragon. And run to this Grace. Right? Because you can do it mounted. Was it really the same guy as last time? I gotta remember, I got runes down there, and I didn't level yet. Cat's already got it. Cool. All right, and now there's Drew. Got him. I didn't have my flask, man. And last time I did it without buffs and almost killed him. If I'd had my flask, might have had the fool. He likes to put the frost poopy on you, that guy. What happened to Drew? Okay. Watching for it. Watching for it. Whitesingzerg. Unable to summon. Probably because we're getting invaded. I don't know. But it said unable to summon. Whitesingzerg. Switchenzug. We got this, guys. All right, there we go.
Hey!
Hey. All right, same thing, only better. No wasted flasks. Hopefully that guy comes back one more time. He loves to throw those poopies though, man. We gotta spread out. We stand next to each other. He tried to get us all at the very beginning. Oh, these freaking poopies. Well, at least I made it past it. All right. You gotta. I guess I gotta target it. I have to. I want that same invader to come back. I want to try him again. We keys say, but I'll take whatever you say. Oh my god, I'm over here freaking killing stuff and I forgot about my runes. I got a whole level here, guys. I got a whole freaking level. The fan daggers. Rikyu-say. Oh yeah, I don't need to grab that grace. We can grab like the grace on the way. Plasma's blade is a great traveling weapon, man. Sorry, sir. Weeks. You should really get a grace, Charlie. Okay, you want... Whoa. Yeah, well, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't get this one. I was gonna say, okay, I'll grab this one over here. Isn't there one right over here somewhere? Well, I was kind of planning on running through, but I didn't know for sure that that was gonna happen. After those freaking, whoa. After those archers, I can take this guy. Oh, this guy's strong. This freaking knight is annoying me. God. The invader should have just tried to kill me. Oh my god. I put a little bit of poopy on me. Yeah, good job with the blasphemous blade. Yeah, I thought there was a grace right over here. Yeah, right here, right here. I see it. I see it. I see it. I'll grab this grace and then we'll run through. Yeah, you know, that's a good player, right? When they're like outnumbered and they can last a long time and do some damn and there's another grace. We can run past the is this where the tree sentinel guys are? I don't do this very often like this. Oh my god. They hit me with the freaking arrows. Oh, Trey's trying to take out the horn collar. Yeah, man. Melted those fools pretty good. Melted those fools pretty good. If you guys want to, oh, invader right here, guys. Back down the stairs. Dude. Oh my god, I have 1 health. Oh, I just batted my head at him, guys, spamming, and I almost died. Now he could tell I'm the host, right? Oh, might want to dodge that one. This is the same one that almost killed me earlier. Being evaded here, it's gonna be rough. Oh my god. Dude, these steps are not easy to just run up, man. When he gets to the... Oh, he's here, he's here, he's here, he's here, he's here. Just melted me. I should have stayed back a little bit. But now, I can just ride to the next grace. And I know even if Kat doesn't have it, she can ride to the next grace too, right? Or no? Kat probably does have this already. That's why she didn't have the magma worm stuff, right? Or no? Yeah. Next grace. God, man, my freaking... Oh my god, my runes. $315. Yeah, I don't have 2 levels, but I got 1 for sure. That's cool, Drew. That's perfect. I'll be down for calling the multiplayer for the night, and then I'm just gonna keep playing. I'm just gonna run around by myself doing stuff. Okay, let me rest. Dang, Charlie, what? Oh, what? When I died? Signed down by the grace. Oh no, I gotta do it by the door, huh? Can't you like not? Can't I like not sign here? Oh no, I guess I can. You mean the Oh, we'll go forward to the draconic. You're talking about the draconic tree sentinel to get into the capital. You can go all the way there, Drew. Or are you talking about the brothers? You're talking about the freaking brothers. How long have we been streaming? Yeah, 3 hours, 20 minutes, man. I might just tear through Capital myself. Let's go. Let's do it. You want to kill this? You want to run past this crazy thing? I see. You want to just skip this crazy thing? This guy could kill us, man. No, I'm not worried about the brothers. I can go. I can go solo the brothers if I want to. I'll remember they're up. Do you want to kill this guy though? Oh wait. Oh, back down. Back down. Go back down. We got invaded. We don't want to pull a boss. I'd come down, so we got room to fight. You guys can do what you want, but I'd come down because we don't want to pull a boss. All right. Yeah. We got a roller. Oh, he's going. I can't hit him. Ha! Got him! Gotta dance! That was nice. That was nice. I got Millennia if anyone wants to help. LOL. I'm going to be done. Well, we haven't done anything for you, have we, Kat? The thing is, Trey's got to go. And I don't know if I'm going to be a whole bunch of help, just me helping you with Millennia. You know what I'm saying? I think we need a 3-piece. Now, do you guys want to kill this thing or no? We're all spread out. Yeah. If she doesn't mind waiting. He's on me, guys. Will he attack you guys or no? Yeah, he will. Running forward. Oh, he yelled at you. He yelled at you. It's not that I don't want to help, but it is, and I'm thinking, are we engaging? Okay. Got him! I'll take the great axe. It's a pretty good axe. It's a pretty good axe. It might not be a great axe. Alright? I'll take it though. It's free. I'll sell it. It'll be great. Once I gain access to the capital, I will take over the world! Just four-letter names. I tell you, Drew has to go. Nah, Trey. Oh, did I say Trey? Yeah. Sometimes I say True and Dre. I like my new pumpkin head I got. Dave Joyce said it doesn't drop every time. I think I probably have it on one playthrough.
I see thee. Tarnished, smoldering without wretched flame.
Yeah, he didn't know I had a pumpkin head on me. That guy just had no chance at all. Okay, so next grace, guys, right here is where we'll get our poopy backs, right? We'll get our flask back and stuff. Resummon and make the run to Draconic Tree Sentinel. You get this grace, right, Harlow? Ugh. Put it down, folks. I actually got all my flasks back, so I'll drop if I need to next time, huh? Level up. Well, I'm really close. I got you, Drew. I had never used my button before. Never mind, you don't need rest to get your physic. I don't understand what that means. Oh, if I just you don't need rest to get your physic. Yeah, we're pretty much running through stuff. Although we have had some pretty noteworthy PvP opponents that were pretty good. Ain't gonna lie. Waxahachie, we got him. They're zoning in, folks.
Hey!
I clicked on Drew. Is it failing? Hey!
Hey!
I think I should be sure we got the dirty tongue out. Lure invaders, of course. I think you can only rest at the grace if you kick us. No problem. I'm just gonna be ready to buff if we get invaded. I gotta watch the screen for the buff, or for the invasion. I never see it. This guy does okay. I want more stamina, man. I want more stamina for those bursts. For those bursts in that PvP scenario.
Hey!
It's like I have to rest at the grace before putting down my sign. Huh. Whatevs. I wonder what Trey's doing tonight. I hope he's touching grass. I ate toast. Favorite bag of chips, anyone? Char Larson. Toast actually sounds good right now. I'm freaking starving. I was woofing down freaking Cheeto pretzels and goldfish crackers. And I bit my tongue really bad. Oh my god. I bit it on the top. So weird. I did not bite it on the side. I bit it on the top. It's like I was turning my tongue. I had a bunch of those things in my mouth and I was wolfing them down. That's what you get for eating fast, guys. That's what I get for eating fast. Eating fast is bad. I'm streaming. I'm chomping on that food, trying to get it down. A little lesson right there. Whoa. Can I run up this like a rock star? So you're saying he's dead? He's not dead. Now. The sister's aiming right at us. I think Drew took one to the foot. Who's that guy fighting over there? Whoa, I took one to the foot that time, folks. Yeah. Get bling. You're taking a lot of bleed damage. Look at that. Wow. Put some poop on him. Well, that didn't work. But that tongue bite doesn't turn into a canker sore. Don't worry. Okay. You guys want to meet up here? Like right before the boss. That way you guys can ride horses here. Right? And I won't put the tongue down this time. I'm going to do it right on the street. Right before the boss. Nope. And I put the wrong finger down, darn it. Wait for it. Oh, man. It was a little rough with the invader. What do you guys think about that? There's a summon sign here, but I think that's the, yeah. Great Horned Targoth or whatever. I can't summon. Probably could have picked him up if one of you would have died first. Or maybe Harlow did die first. But I died next. I just went at that fool, man. Some people bleed more than others. Should be there by the time... Cat is there. Yeah, it's fine. Switch characters. I'm just going to go and take this guy out right quick. Me and Targoth. No, I'm just kidding. Looking. I kind of put it in the road so you could see it. You know what I mean? But you guys put yours where you want. The other summon's there. But I'm looking. It's a little run, isn't it? Oh, my runes, bro. I got almost a level. You gotta summon us, Charlie. Yeah, I know. I put it down, and I'm waiting. I'm waiting to see a summon sign, dude. Oh, I see one. I see Harlow here. And I'm looking for Drews. I thought you said you put the sign down in the road. I did. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. No, I actually put the wrong one down first. But it'd be best if you guys put yours down on the road so I could see them. But whatever. Hey! Ooh, I almost lured invaders. I don't want to do that. I want to get this done. I want to say, hey! Hey! Yep, got you. Buffing. Well, in a second. Okay, I'm gonna stay alive this time. No! Oh, good dodge. That was a nice dodge, bro. Shut him down, folks. Good job, guys. Oh, I never grabbed my runes, man. Like I said, I got almost a level. Oh, I do. I got a full level now. Now I have enough to summon Teacher, guys. Thank you, guys. Hey! Thank you, guys. That was fun. That was fun, guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and move forward myself. I appreciate it. Thank you, Kat. And Kat, next time we get the band back together, as long as we got Cherry Air Drew, First thing we can do is your millennia. I would love to. I would love to. And if you get it done before then, don't feel bad. Do whatever you want. But I would love to help. I just the only way I'm good at the millennia thing is with like my own summons, and I'm not even good, but I could do it. Or if we three-way it and keep her turning around the whole time, and she gets to do very few attacks. You know what I'm saying? That I could be a very integral part of. You and me, you'd probably be better off just on a Black Knife T-shirt. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, guys. Look at all the runes. Level up. Gosh, I have almost 2 levels now. But guys, bam. I just got my Black Knife T-shirt, guys. What are we looking at? Inventory. I know I didn't get enough. Oh, I got Renala, and I'm not using this. Oh, I probably still don't have enough, though. Darn it, what are you doing? Now I just have a lot more runes to worry about. Inventorio, let me see. Great job. Yeah, Kat and Drew both did a great job, man. They're great. It was a lot of fun. Yes. Oh my God, I still need 28 now. I wasn't even close. I should have never burned that. Now I gotta stress about these freaking runes. Is there anything that could kill me here? Yeah, like all the bosses. But I got a Black Knife Tish though that I could summon for that fool. That doesn't burn, but I bet I get runes out of that. I could also run in as... Isn't there a hero's rune on the floor in that one dude's room? Whoa. Give me that loot, baby. Thanks, have a great night. Drew, you too, man. Thank you, my brother. If you are new to the stream or watching the replay, my name is Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark, folks. And I bit the holy living crap out of my tongue. Worse than I ever have in my whole life. And I'm 56 years old, but now my tongue is like 70 because he took some damn today, folks. Big damn. Big damn. But that's okay. We're surviving. The swelling's going down, so that's good. I already rested. I hear Bubble Boys. I shouldn't worry about the runes, guys. If you worry about the runes, that's how people get killed. You know what I'm saying? Okay. You can jump. Ah! I'm like, you can jump here, right? No, you can't. Quit blowing bubbles at me! There's little green dudes down here that are gonna give me hell already, man. You don't have to give me freaking hell. The freaking bubbles are chasing me across the rooftops, folks. I've fallen there before, but no, I never... Oh my God, that guy's strong. He's strong. Okay, we're just gonna get the Avenue Balcony Grace and everything will be okay. You still chasing me? This guy, don't be scared of him. You just run past him. Just run. Just run. Just pretend he's not there. Just pretend he's not there. Just pretend he's not there. Okay, good. We got the ABG, folks. Avenue Balcony Grace. Okay. That marks a nice day at the Capitol. What do you got, Millennia? What do you got for me? My mission, if I choose to accept it. She's going to offer me an accord.
I wish you have fought. I have no.
Okay. Nope, nope. Now, there's loot over here. Is this runes? Smithing Stone 6. That's kind of like runes. Right? But not too much. Oh, wait. I don't have my Black Knife teacher up yet. The BNT, folks. Okay, because we're gonna see if we can summon him. If we can't, we'll summon the other guy. But I think I have the Why can't I summon? Why won't it let me summon? I always summon for this thing. Is it like my finger still down or something? Let me see. That's why. I was like, why can't I summon my... There we go, guys. The first Black Knife teacher summoned by me without the use of a flask. Is teacher doing any damage? He's probably picking up ads as we speak. I knew that was gonna hurt. Don't die. I was lucky on that one because that was pretty good range. This thing, wow, it missed. I gotta stay alive for the teacher! Wow. Good thing my head was big. Got him! Gotta dance! Cool. Show me the runes. Ooh, a Lord's rune. Teacher, come with me. Something I want you to see over here. We got a Lord's rune, folks. That's a lot of rune. That's a lot of rune, man. We got paid. We got paid because we got enough mana to summon a Black Knife teacher. And now we have another level and we can put it into something like Strength's 48, Dex is 30. I think we want more Dex, right? What should my Strength and Dex be on this thing? Like, let me show you. The Reduvia dagger, Strength, it scales E. Dex C and Arcane B. I haven't been putting points in Arcane, have I? Yeah, well, 14. Maybe I should put it in... These things might not be doing as much damage as I, And the vigor is... Why is my vigor at 50? What the hell is going on with this freaking character? And the faith is at 50. Something's wrong with this build. Something's drastically wrong with this build. I may have used... Watch this. Watch this, folks. You guys know what I'm going to do, right? I wondered why my faith was so high. I'm fat rolling, but it's because but I don't have to be. That's why my faith is so high, because I'm not even spec'd for these freaking daggers. I finished the game with Blasphemous Blade to kill the Elden, to kill, what's his name? Okay, that's great news to know. I just figured it out. I'm like, I'm not, these daggers aren't even spec'd right now, man. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I'm not spec'd for the daggers. Equipment. Remove. G. Let's go see my girlfriend. I just killed her for the first time tonight. Putting her right to work, folks. Putting her right to work. I mean, just killed her tonight on this playthrough. That is what I mean. Yeah, man. Okay. Hey. Oh, I guess I should look and see if my larval tears, right? How many I have or whatever, just so I go into this, you know, knowing what's going on. I have 5. I can, and don't, like, there's some vendors that even sell them and stuff, right? Rebirth. Yes.
Bear this sweeting into life anew.
Okay. We know mine. We want 23. Because we want to be able to summon Black Knight Teacher. The Big's at 50. Big has not been a problem. I think I want the Big at 40. The strength was way too high. You know what I need to do? I need to do a little bit of research. I need to do a little bit of research. So I'm going to actually cancel Rebirth. Cool.
Be not
Yeah.
alarmed.
Because
I would birth thee as a sweet
I want to put the right points in this thing. You know what I'm saying?
and fine.
It's almost midnight, guys. We got just almost 4 hours in a beautiful stream. If you guys like what you see, please consider throwing me a sub. And all you, my friends, anybody watching, if you throw a like on the video, it really helps the stream. And I will be back tomorrow for more of this. You can check my page right now. If you haven't seen my Godfrey video, is pretty good. And the Elden Beast Radagon right after that is coming up soon. There's also some shorts on my page. I just uploaded a couple, one yesterday, one today, and there's a bunch others too. So, yeah, man, check out some content. Freaking love you guys. Thanks for being here. Thank you, Kat. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you, my mods. Thank you, everyone, for all the support and love. And I will see you guys later.